If you're having trouble with mathematics, numbers getting problematic, don't you panic. Check MathWiz, the best math tutor on the planet. From fraction to algebra, simple maths, add up some trigonometry into that. Learning math is fun with MathWiz, and that's a fact. We're rooting for you.
Hi everyone, welcome back to another MathWiz Academy video. If this is your first time joining us, welcome. Be sure to subscribe and turn on your notifications so that you can see when we are posting new videos. If it is that you are a return student or watcher, I just want to encourage you to continue going through the videos, ensure that you're sharing with your friends. Let's just continue to prepare for these exams. So we're still on solving linear equations and we are building up from our foundation. So for this example again, and if you didn't watch part 1 of the complex, you can go ahead just to see, and get in the groove of how we are working these questions. So again, we're solving for x, so you want to identify where x is, and that's what you're going to move last, right? So again, common question is for students to ask, Miss, do I move the 5 first or do I move the 1 first? And your answer is that you always move the term with what you're looking for last, right? So we move the 5x, or rather that's just my tip to you. So the minus 1, when we take it over to the other side, is going to become plus 1, because the opposite of minus would be plus, based on the MathWiz Academy method, right? And then 9 plus 1 is 10. The 5, which is multiplied, when you take it across, you will divide, and 10 divided by 5 is going to leave you with 2. Okay, so once you've gone over that example, and I'll go over it again, you want to go ahead and try 4x minus 3 is equal to 9. Just to repeat for those persons who miss it, so the minus 1 becomes plus 1. And then the 5, which is multiplied, when we take it to the opposite side, we divide. All right, so go ahead, you can pause the video, then you can press play once you're through to see the solution for the question that is on the right hand side of the board. All right, so we have 4x minus 3 is equal to 9. So the minus 3, when we take it to the opposite side, is going to become plus 3. And so 4x is equal to 9 plus 3, which gives us 12. And the 4, which is multiplied, when we take it across, we will divide. And 12 divided by 4 is going to give us 3. All right, so our first example, we had 5x minus 1 is equal to 9. All right, so we're still going to look at questions where the x is on the left hand side, but now what if it's behind, right? And we're starting to realize that these are all work the same, but just whenever they are appearing different, sometimes students can start to wonder what it is they're supposed to do. So we're just going to go through to ensure that we cover all the different types of examples. So it will be the same thing again. We're searching for the x, so no, we do not move the 6 first. So this minus 3, when we take it to the opposite side, it will become plus 3. Right, and then we don't need to have plus 6x, so we have 6x is equal to 27 plus 3, which is 30. And the 6, which is multiplied, when you take it across, you divide. And 30 divided by 6 is 5. All right, once you're through with that, again, very much like our first example, you can go ahead and try minus 4 plus 3x is equal to 5. So you can go ahead, pause the video, and then when you're finished, press play for the solution. So we have minus 4 plus 3x is equal to 5. So the minus 4, when you take it to the opposite side, yes, becomes plus 4. And so we have 3x is equal to 5 plus 4, which is 9. The 3, which is multiplied. When you take it across, you will divide. And 9 divided by 3 is going to give you your answer of 3. So our second example was minus 3 plus 6x equal to 27. All right, so for our third example, we are going to go ahead with what about if the x is on the right hand side. So we have 6 is equal to 2x minus 2. So again, we're looking for x. So we're going to move that last. So the minus 2, when I take it across, it is going to become plus 2. And so we have 6 plus 2, which is 8, is equal to 2x. The 2, which is multiplied, when you take it across, you will divide. And 8 divided by 2 is going to give you your answer, which is 4. So once you're finished taking in that example, you can go ahead and try that question. So again, the minus 2 became plus 2, and the 2 which was multiplied became divided. So go ahead, pause the video, try that question on your own, and then you can press play for the solution. So we have 30 is equal to 8x minus 2. So the minus 2 becomes plus 2. And so we have 30 plus 2, which is 32, which would be equal to 8x. The 8, which is multiplied, when we take it across, we will divide. And so 32 divided by 8 is 4. All right, so our third example was 6 is equal to 2x minus 2. So now the x is on the right hand side. So we're going to go ahead and do our final example. So again, just putting the questions on the right hand side so that you can see the difference. All right, so this is the last one that we are working. All right, so all the same question, just variations in terms of where the x appears. Okay, so for this question, again, you are trying to solve for x, so you're going to move the minus 3 first. And so the minus 3 will become plus 3. And 11 plus 3 is 14. And again, you don't need to put plus 7x. You can just have 7x. The 7 which is multiplied. When you take it across, it will be divided. And 14 divided by 7 is 2. So I will give you one of these to try on your own, which we will work as our final question for this video. So again, once you've taken it in, you can pause the video, work it on your own, and then go ahead and try the final question. So we have 24 is equal to minus 3 plus 9x. So the minus 3, when we take it across, is going to become plus 3. And 24 plus 3 is 27, which is 9x. And the 9, which is multiplied, when you take it across, you will divide. And 27 divided by 9 is 3. Okay, so I do hope that you found this video useful, and if you did, you can feel free to leave a comment below. This is how we will build our community and to ensure that others know that they are supported in the space and that you guys are all working together to pass these exams. As usual, at the end of each video, I tell you how much I am rooting for you. I believe in you. Just continue to work hard and to continue to practice, and I will see you in the next video.